Hello again, loves. Rebecca here, and I have a little small unboxing today. This is from Peachy Cheap, and I thought I would just open it up with you. That cute little Temu thing worked really well. I need to use it less. I hope I didn't just cut any paper in there. Just learn, because I wasn't really paying attention to what I was doing. Alright. Pull this. Is it like adhered in there somehow? What's going on? Why is it not? Oh, it is. Hold please. Let's go that way. User error. Okay. So this was on Peachy Cheap the other day, you guys. It is the Fancy Pants Design Frosted Forest collection, and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and go through the papers, this little kit first. I do apologize for the crinkling. It happens. All right, so there's our little cover sheet. Let's move this stuff over here. All right, so we have this beautiful one called Winter Wonder, and that is, it just snowed here a few days ago. It's gone now. Welcome to the Midwest. But you could do like a snow picture, and on the back is a beautiful non-snow. So I like that when a collection does that. Oh, and I get 2 of each. What? So we'll do that. Okay, we got to get into frame. Let's get in frame, Rebecca. All right, next up is Winter Moths. So we have got the beautiful moths right here that are begging me to fussy cut them out. Yes, they are. Look at the gorgeous color palette on this one. This is why I had to have it, you guys. And then the other side is just a very, snowstorm looking. So this one, I don't know. We're just gonna have to go with that because I need to get it all on here. Next one is Woodland. So on this side we have a beautiful like tone-on-tone diagonal, and then a simply gorgeous little ombre watercolored wood scene. Next is Winter Grain, and it is nicely thick paper. So another pattern like that, only in the muted wine color. And the back side of that is this gorgeous little leafy bits. Then we have Winter Floral. So we have this piece right here. We're going off screen, kids. It's just the way it's going to happen. Winter Floral, fussy cut. On the back side of that, we have this beautiful like denim. And then we have white birch. So I've got the little white birch trees here. And the back side of that one is some more flowers that want to be fussy cut. I have this 12 by 12 sticker sheet that goes with the collection as well. And along with that, we got the foam stickers. So lots of, little title bits and some foam pieces in there. Loving that. I got the ephemera, so I will just hold it right here so you guys can kind of look and see what comes in there. And the frames and tags, so that is super cute as well. And then the enamel dots. And that I cannot wait to start creating with, to be honest with you guys. But that's my haul today from Peachy Cheap, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.